Hello, dear students. Welcome back once again to our YouTube channel, Aruhi Educator. This is day 8 of our English Scholarship podcast series.
Friends, this series is specially designed to improve your grammar, vocabulary, and listening skills through continuous conversation.
We are students of Zilla Parishad Prashala Banoti, and through Aruhi Educator, we are helping scholarship students learn English step by step.
Day 7, we learned about tenses introduction.
And today, in day 8, we are starting the first tense in detail, that is, simple present tense.
Arohi, what exactly is simple present tense?
Good question, Manas. Friends, please listen carefully. Simple present tense is used to talk about daily habits, regular actions, and general truths. I repeat again slowly. Simple present tense is used for things that happen every day or always.
So, it is used for routine actions.
Exactly. Examples of daily habits. I wake up early. I brush my teeth. I go to school. Now, friends, let us understand the structure.
Structure helps us form correct sentences.
The basic structure is subject plus verb, base form plus object. Examples: I play cricket. We read books. They like milk.
These sentences are simple and clear.
Yes, but there is one important rule. Friends, listen very carefully now. When the subject is he, she, it, or any singular noun, we add s or es to the verb.
This is where students make mistakes.
Yes. Examples: he plays cricket. She reads books. It rains in the monsoon. Ramesh goes to school.
The verb changes, not the subject.
Correct. Now, let us learn negative sentences.
Negative means no or not.
Yes. Structure: subject plus do not or does not plus base verb. Examples: I do not like tea. We do not play football. He does not like tea. She does not go to school.
After does not, we use base verb.
Very important point. Now, let us see questions. Structure: do or does plus subject plus base verb. Examples: do you play cricket? Do they read books? Does he play cricket? Does she like milk?
Questions are very common in exams.
Yes, so practice is necessary. Friends, let us revise the uses. Simple present tense is used for daily routine, habits, general facts, universal truths. Examples: the sun rises in the east. Water boils at 100 degrees. I go to school every day.
These sentences never change.
Now, listen to common time words. Always, usually, often, every day, daily. These words help us identify simple present tense. Now, friends, let us solve some exam type questions. Fill in the blank. He dash to school every day. Correct answer: goes. Fill in the blank. They dash cricket in the evening. Correct answer: play. Fill in the blank. She does not dash milk. Correct answer: like.
Understanding rules give correct answers.
Multon: he play cricket. He plays cricket. She do not like tea. She does not like tea. Does he play cricket? Does he play cricket?
Avoid these mistakes to score full marks.
Now, friends, just listen and think. I read books. He reads books. They go to school. She goes to school. Even listening silently improves grammar. Let us revise again slowly. Simple present shows daily action. He, she, it takes s or es. Do and does are used for questions.
Revision makes learning permanent.
This was day 8, simple present tense.
This scholarship English series is created by Zilla Parishad Prashala Banoti for all students.
Stay connected with Arohi Educator for daily English learning.
Tomorrow, we will meet with day 9, present continuous tense.
Both together. Keep listening, keep learning with Arohi Educator. Thank you.